Hello viewers. So believe it or not, this is something that I cannot express my love for. I had seen an ironing table on Google, an ironing storage table, and I've been wanting one so bad, but I just couldn't because they start at 250 and above. I already had an ironing table and I just wanted to build up the storage underneath. I bought this ironing table, well, not this, but I bought the top section of it from Walmart a long time ago. And I've been wanting storage underneath. So I've been thinking about like how can I make it a storage? So one day I just went Walmart again, bought this 9 cubicle storage cabinet with purchased these extra like these doors that you see in there. I think $4 each, and this section was I think 40 or 50, below 50 I want to say. And then obviously I had the ironing table, so I removed the legs, put that on the cubics, and believe it or not, tied it up with these multi-purpose ties that I purchased at Dollar Tree. These ones with the lock, and I can even show you. I think I only had to put like 2 ties here. I need to cut this, but I wanted to keep it to show you guys. But see how I just attached it from, well, these were smaller, so I had to attach to, but I attached the top section with this bottom section. And I did like 2 times, just 2 times. And it gave me this nice ironing storage table. So, as you can see, I kind of wanted to put this down because I don't really use this side. So, but as you can see, I was able to store a lot of stuff in here. There's a lot of stuff in these babies. So, just a quick idea. If somebody wants to do it themselves instead of buying it, because it was 250 and above, and this baby here, I want to say this is all in 110. So here you have it. Let me know if you like it, or if you have any other ideas, or you want me to go over something else. I love doing DIY projects. Looking forward. If you have anything else you want to let me know. Thank you.